Hey there, taxpayers. Get this. Americans leave billions of dollars unclaimed in tax savings each year. That's right, billions. It's like finding out your couch cushions are stuffed with $100 bills, but then just leaving them there. We're talking about potential savings that could boost your bank account, pay off debt, or fund that dream vacation you've been eyeing. So, what's the deal? Why are people leaving so much money on the table? Well, the world of taxes can feel about as straightforward as a maze designed by a caffeinated hamster. There are forms, jargon, and enough loopholes to make your head spin. But fear not, my tax-paying comrades. We're about to demystify the world of tax breaks and empower you to claim your rightful savings. It's time to stop letting the government keep what's rightfully yours. Let's dive in, shall we? Think of tax breaks as secret discounts the government offers on your tax bill. They're like coupons for grown-ups, but instead of saving you a few bucks on cereal, they can potentially save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars come tax time. We're talking about reducing your taxable income, which directly lowers the amount of taxes you owe. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Are tax breaks only for the wealthy? Nope. There are tax breaks available for people of all income levels and life situations. Whether you're a student drowning in loan debt, a homeowner struggling with property taxes, or a parent juggling childcare costs, there's likely a tax break out there with your name on it. The key is understanding the different types of tax breaks and how to claim them. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's be honest, navigating the world of taxes can feel like trying to assemble furniture using only the picture on the box. The instructions are often unclear, the terminology is confusing, and the stakes are high. And a butter knife. It's confusing, frustrating, and often leads to tears, sweat, and maybe even a few choice words. The complexity of tax codes and the constant changes in tax laws make it even more daunting. It's no wonder people miss out on valuable tax savings. The stress and confusion can be overwhelming, leading many to simply give up and accept whatever tax outcome they get. One of the biggest culprits is a lack of awareness. Many people are not even aware of the numerous deductions and credits available to them. Many taxpayers simply don't know about the wide range of tax breaks available to them. They might be eligible for deductions related to education, home office expenses, or even medical costs. They never claim them because they just don't know they exist. They might be using the same standard deduction year after year, unaware that they qualify for itemized deductions that could save them more money. For instance, charitable donations, mortgage interest, and even certain job-related expenses can be itemized to reduce taxable income. Another challenge is the fear of making a mistake. The tax code is complex, and the fear of getting something wrong can be paralyzing. The IRS can be intimidating, and the thought of triggering an audit is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. This fear often leads to people playing it safe and not claiming deductions they are entitled to just to avoid potential scrutiny. However, by arming yourself with knowledge and seeking guidance from qualified professionals, you can confidently navigate the tax maze. Tax professionals can help identify deductions and credits you might have missed and ensure that your tax return is accurate and complete. And claim every single deduction, credit, and exemption you're entitled to. With the right help and information, you can turn the daunting task of tax filing into an opportunity to maximize your savings and maybe even look forward to a nice refund. Section 4. Decoding the tax code, deductions, credits, and exemptions. This section is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their tax savings and minimize their tax liability. Understanding the differences between deductions, credits, and exemptions can make a significant impact on your overall tax bill. Alright, let's break down the different types of tax breaks so you can impress your friends with your newfound tax knowledge. Whether you're chatting over coffee or helping someone with their taxes, you'll be the go-to person for all things tax-related. First up, we have tax deductions. These are specific expenses that the IRS allows you to subtract from your taxable income. By reducing your taxable income, you effectively lower the amount of tax you owe. These bad boys reduce your taxable income, which in turn lowers your tax liability. It's like getting a discount on your income before the government takes their cut. The less income you have to report, the less tax you pay. Think of them like discounts on your income before the government takes their cut. For example, if you have a $1,000 deduction and you're in the 22% tax bracket, you save $220 on your tax bill. There are two main types of deductions, standard and itemized. The standard deduction is a fixed amount that reduces the income you're taxed on. It's a no questions asked reduction. The standard deduction is a fixed amount you can subtract from your income, making it simpler for most taxpayers. It's a straightforward way to lower your taxable income without having to keep track of every expense. While itemized deductions allow you to list specific expenses like mortgage interest, state and local taxes, and charitable contributions, itemizing can be more beneficial if your deductible expenses add up to more than the standard deduction. Next, we have tax credits, which are like direct payments towards your tax bill. Unlike deductions, which reduce your taxable income, credits reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar, which are like direct payments towards your tax bill. For example, if you owe $1,000 in taxes and you have a $200 tax credit, your tax bill is reduced to $800. They reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar, making them even more valuable than deductions. A $1,000 tax credit saves you $1,000 in taxes regardless of your tax bracket, making them even more valuable than deductions. Some credits are even refundable, meaning you could get a refund even if you owe no tax. Some popular tax credits include the child tax credit, which provides financial relief to parents by reducing their tax bill for each qualifying child. The Earned Income Tax Credit, designed to benefit low to moderate income working individuals and families, providing a significant boost to their tax refund. And the American Opportunity Tax Credit for education expenses. This credit helps offset the cost of higher education by providing up to $2,500 per eligible student. Finally, we have tax exemptions, which allow you to reduce your taxable income for yourself, your spouse, and any dependents you can claim. Exemptions work by lowering the amount of income that is subject to tax, which allow you to reduce your taxable income for yourself, your spouse, and any dependents you can claim. Each exemption reduces your taxable income, which can lead to significant tax savings, and any dependents you can claim. For example, if you have 3 dependents, you can claim 3 exemptions, each reducing your taxable income by a set amount. Exemptions are like saying, "Hey IRS, this portion of my income is off limits." By understanding and utilizing deductions, credits, and exemptions, you can significantly reduce your tax bill and keep more of your hard-earned money. Section 5, the Holy Grail of Tax Breaks, your ticket to big savings. This section is all about maximizing your savings and making the most out of your hard-earned money. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the ultimate tax break that can significantly boost your savings. We're talking about the 401k contribution deduction. This is the tax break that could potentially save you the most money. This bad boy allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars to your 401k retirement account, which is a game changer for your financial planning. Essentially, you're getting a discount on your taxes today, which means more money in your pocket right now. And the best part, you're also investing in your future. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's say you're in the 25% tax bracket, and you decide to contribute $10,000 to your 401k. That's a whopping $2,500 in tax savings right off the bat. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Plus, your money grows tax deferred until retirement, which means it can compound and grow even more over time. Meaning you won't pay taxes on your earnings until you withdraw them. This allows your investments to grow more efficiently. It's a win-win situation. You're saving on taxes now and securing your financial future. Of course, the amount you can save with a 401k contribution deduction depends on your income, tax bracket, and contribution limits. But the point is, this tax break is a powerful tool for building wealth and ensuring a comfortable retirement. By taking advantage of the 401k contribution deduction, you're not just saving money today, but you're also paving the way for a secure and prosperous future. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to maximize your savings and invest in your future. Section 6, Knowledge is Power, Understanding Tax Breaks for a Brighter Financial Future. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the key takeaway is this. Understanding tax breaks is crucial for achieving your financial goals. By taking advantage of the deductions, credits, and exemptions available to you, you can reduce your tax burden, increase your savings, and invest in your future. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. There are resources available to help you navigate the tax maze, from free online tools to qualified tax professionals. The IRS website, reputable financial websites, and tax software programs can provide valuable information and guidance. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to taxes, that power translates into real savings. Section 7. Share your story, save more money. Have you had any aha moments with tax breaks? Maybe you discovered a deduction you never knew about, or finally took the plunge and maxed out your 401k contributions. We want to hear your stories. Share your tax break triumphs and tribulations in the comments below. Let's create a community of empowered taxpayers who are committed to keeping more of their hard-earned money. And don't forget to check out our website for more tax-saving tips and tricks. Together we can conquer the tax man and achieve financial freedom.